Assalamu alaikum. Hello, boys. How are you? Welcome to you in science class. Today we are going to attempt a quiz which is about objects transparent, translucent, or opaque.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, Abdullah Faisal. How are you? Hello, Abdullah Al Amri.
Hello, teacher.
Hello.
How are you, Mister?
I am fine. How are you?
Thank you.
It's great. Where are the others?
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you, Yazan? Are you good?
Teacher, we will send
teacher.
this. Teacher, we will send this in group.
Yes, I will send, but first of all, you should attempt with me, okay? Then I will send. Okay.
Okay. Now it's gonna be easy because you will see the answers.
Hi, teacher.
Let's see. Hello. Asil is not there. Then we have Khalid Muhammad. Muhammad Ibrahim As-Somali is there. Okay. No.
You send this quiz.
Assalamu alaikum.
Yazan As-Somali actually. Hello.
You send
Walaikum
this
salam.
quiz.
Wait. Walaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Nadeem is there. Okay. Umar Muhammad Ibrahim is there. Okay. Umar Salman, are you there? Umar Saad? Sorry, Usama Saad.
Teacher, press
Yeah.
random in Teams.
Let me just write your names, then I can tell you what you want.
Firstly, what is this?
Umar Ala, are you there? Umar
Yeah.
Yasir?
No, I'm Omar Ala.
Okay,
I'm
Umar
here.
Ala. Muhammad Noor is also there.
Yes, and don't chat, please.
Yes, somebody is sending in the chat. I am Nadeem. I can't open mic. Okay, Nadeem, no problem. That's fine. It's okay. So,
Sir, I want to ask you, what is this? Is it the?
if
is
you
it a challenge?
wait for some time, then you will understand. Okay. We are going to discuss transparent, translucent, and opaque objects. As we know,
This is so
transparent
easy,
objects.
teacher. We like heard this too
Yazan,
many
what do
times.
you mean by transparent objects?
Transparent
much light
are
can
things
pass?
you can see through them,
Nice. Any example?
like a glass.
Like your glasses as well. Thank you.
Glasses.
Then we have opaque objects. What do you mean by opaque objects? Umar Ala.
Teacher,
Opaque objects you can see through them. Yes, sir.
Yes. Can you see through opaque objects?
Hi, everyone.
No. Okay.
Hi,
So
you.
Khalid.
yes, teacher.
Yes. What do you mean by translucent objects? Can you see through it?
Some light passes through them.
And you can see some through it,
Some,
right?
yes.
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 You cannot see clearly, but you can see but a little. Okay. So Asil Rabi is absent. Muhammad Ibrahim As-Somali is not there. Then Abdullah Muhammad Leham is
Hi,
not
teacher.
there. Hello, Umar. Umar Yasir is not there. Okay, I'm going to start. I will ask the questions. You can open your mics, and first I will read, understand, you will understand, and then answer. Okay, don't be fast. Question number 1. Question number 1 is your grandma has plants in her kitchen. Okay. They need lots of light. What type of windows should she have installed that will be best for her indoor garden? Yes, who will answer?
Transparent windows.
Yes, Salam.
Transparent.
Okay.
Transparent.
Transparent windows, because plants need light, and she can install transparent windows so that plants can get enough sunlight or light to grow. A stained glass window is like stained glass, like you have windows in the school. If you come in school, you see windows, right? Those are
Yes.
transparent or translucent
yes.
or opaque?
Translucent.
Yes. Thank you. Good boys. Okay. If an object allows most all light pass through it, which one is this?
Transparent.
Transparent. Very nice.
يستاذ
Okay.
ما تقدر ترسلها ونحن نحلها.
A brick. Brick يعني ايش؟ يعني
Opaque.
opaque. Nice. Okay, Nadeem, no
ما
problem.
تقدر ترسلها ونحلها.
Wait يا خالد, ركز معنا يا حبيبي. I will send when I'm finished. Mike wants to put a window over his bathtub. Which type of material should he pick to allow light and privacy? يعني يبغى light برضو ويبغى privacy برضو.
Translucent.
Yes, who said translucent?
Translucent.
من كلام
I
translucent?
said translucent.
Yazan, right?
Wrong answer.
Yazan, you said translucent?
I did.
Excellent, yeah, Yazan. Thank you. Translucent. Because light can come, but nobody can see. So that's why this is good. You have privacy and you have light with translucent. Understand or not?
I understand.
Yes. Thank you,
Can I read
Yazan.
this
Excellent.
one?
Yes.
If you were building a house in Alaska where it can be daylight for months, what type of material would be best to cover your windows with that would help keep the sun out of your room so you can sleep?
Huh.
Opaque material.
Opaque materials. So that
Yes,
light will
opaque.
be outside and you can
Opaque
sleep
material.
inside. Excellent. Thank you. Yes. Okay, Nadeem, I said okay. Next question. Umar Yasser, read. Umar Allah, sorry, read.
Okay, this type of object lets some light through, but not all light. It is not easy to see through this type of material.
Translucent.
Translucent. Nice. That's good.
It was my question.
Great, Umar
Why
Allah,
did you
thank you.
answer?
No problem, no problem. Allah. Answer, no, anybody can answer, no problem. Thank you,
Teacher, I
Allah.
can say,
Yes, Khalid.
what are some example of transparent matter?
Transparent material. Okay. Number one
Can I
is
see?
transparent.
Can I?
Yes, anybody can
Wood
answer. no
or
problem.
fabric?
Waxed
Wax
paper
paper
or
or frosted
waxed glass?
or frosted?
Waxed paper or waxed glass?
Transparent objects we are talking about.
Reflective.
It should be transparent.
Transparent.
Yes, it should be
Okay.
transparent. Frosted glass you cannot see. Like,
The question's me.
yes, who will read?
Can I read this one?
Yes.
Me, I read the long ones. While playing hide and seek, I was able to find my friend easily. I could see right through the window into the kitchen where she was hiding. That means the window is transparent.
The question is, I can see my
Trans-
friend who is hiding
Yes.
the other side of the window. I can see it
Is
because window was transparent.
Transparent.
Yes,
It's dot.
yes, of course. Window is transparent. You can see through. A clear window is opaque. Yes or no?
False. No.
False. Because a clear window is transparent. Abdullah Faisal, انت موجود؟
Yes, teacher.
لازم رد يا حبيبي، لازم جواب. غلط ولا صح ما في مشكلة.
I will read this one
طيب
too.
لازم رد يا حبيبي. Sometimes
I will read.
yes.
Sometimes in the morning, my car windows are fogged up. This allows me to see some of the road, but it's not very clear. This means my window is now dot, dot,
Translucent.
dot.
Huh?
Translucent.
You cannot see translucent. Yes, because you cannot see clearly the road clearly because it's translucent now.
I can read.
Yes.
Muhammad Noor.
Yes, Muhammad Noor, read.
Object that teacher read.
Yes,
An
read.
object that does
An object that
allow
does
light
not
to pass its
allow
flowing.
light to pass.
يا محمد نور انا قاعد اقرا.
Okay, Abdullah Amri, wait. Muhammad Noor, ikra yalla. Come on.
Opaque.
Abdullah, your mic is not good. Adjust your mic, Muhammad Noor.
Opaque object. Opaque object.
Right. An object that does not allow light to pass
pass
through, that is
through.
opaque. It's easy. Easy busy.
Queasy.
Okay, a colored glass. A colored glass marble is
Translucent.
Translucent.
Translucent, yeah, Abdullah. Abdullah Faisal, yalla jawab. A block of wood is opaque. Yani
True.
true, yes. Because
True.
wood yani khashab has opaque. طيب, good. Last one.
True or
The
false?
windows are
I
that
can
can
say.
easily see through. Huh?
True, teacher. True.
Yes. Okay, now
Windows that you can
now
easily
open
see.
your WhatsApp. I will send the link, okay, so that you can play with me. Okay.
Do we still in the Zoom?
Okay, sir.
Yes, you are with me in the Zoom, and I will send you the link so that you can.
Okay,
play
one
with me.
moment.
Okay. I am gonna send you the link. Okay, just give me.
Teacher, I will leave and I will open the
Hey,
Zoom.
okay. Okay,
And
you're
me too.
gonna.
And me too.
Okay.
And me
Okay.
also.
Now you will have the link. Okay, join. You got it right?
Yes.
One moment, don't start without me, teacher.
You can
I
join.
am-
I will not start. You can join. Khalid is
I
there.
am joined.
Yes, I saw you. Abdullah Noor is there. Abdullah Muhammad is there. Umar Ala, Muhammad Al Amri. Real
I'm
name,
joined.
Muhammad Ibrahim Al Somali. Okay. Muhammad Noor is there now. Yes. أيوة عبد الله.
الشاشة بيضة مو قاعد اشوف شيء، الشاشة بيضة.
أنا أرسلت لينك في
sir,
الواتساب يا عبد الله.
Sir,
أنا أرسلت
sir,
لينك في الواتس. Now
sir.
you can see.
Okay,
Yazan is there.
sir, I
Easy, this is
started.
gonna be.
Sir, should I choose classic or?
This is gonna be.
It's fine. That's okay. You can join anything, classic or random or whatever. This is about theme, not something else.
Teacher, join all.
Yes, I think so. With me are 12. Okay. So we're gonna start.
Let's go.
That.
Let's start.
Let's see.
One, go.
Yes. I will select false answers so that you can answer. Understand the question and then answer. Don't be Quick.
A clear window is open. An object that does not allow light to pass through it. Okay. رجعنا كمان a color is oh shit.
Stained glass window is.
A stained glass is translucent.
What happened?
To get a second chance after running. My computer window.
Don't sing.
Can be daylight for you. The sun out of your room.
What are some examples of transparent material? Okay. So here with me,
No, but
Yazan is
no,
number 1, Khalid is number 2.
Teacher, this is easy.
Yeah, it should be because we did it now.
Because we did it before. I know all the answers now. Block of wood is opaque.
Most important is to understand, not only to do it.
A brick is
I will be on the last because I
because you're
have
not
all
playing.
mistakes.
Type of object that's okay, this is so easy. Windows that you can easily see through is transparent. Not gonna say the answer, just reading the question. Yes. Yes. Number one.
What are you
number
doing?
one. Yes, I
Omar
won.
Yasser, I can hear you. Yazan.
I won, baby.
I am finished.
Tayyib Khalid, okay.
Oopsies. Let's see who can beat me. Mohammed Noor. Mohammed Noor.
Yes.
3 out of 13 players.
Yazan is number 1. Muhammad Noor, I think, is number 2. Okay. Who is this? Who's coughing?
No, I'm just laughing, not coughing.
Okay. Why you are laughing?
Because I'm number 1
Who said you are number 1?
of the game.
Okay. Yazan is number 1. Muhammad Noor is number 2. Abdullah Leham is number 13, I think. Or 12th.
Abdullah Hamad is number 12. I am scared of Omar Yasser. Is gonna win. Is gonna be second place, maybe first. The funniest thing is I always. Oh no.
Teacher, I finished Muhammad Noor.
Nice, Muhammad Noor. Thank you.
Omar Yasser.
Omar Yasser is
please.
number 2 now.
Is he finished? Or if he's not finished,
Let me just, I have one question. Let me finish, then I can tell you clearly. What is happening there? Just a second. I have done, I think. If it will not allow me.
Teacher, I go to Zoom and I get out. Why?
Because you cannot leave this.
Okay.
Hello.
If you leave this, maybe you will out.
Sir, I finished.
Okay, so now I can see the names.
Finished, teacher.
Yazan is number
From
one,
the fifth.
all done. Umar
From the
Yasir,
fifth.
all done. Muhammad Noor has one mistake. Real Nadeem has 2 mistakes, I think. Then Omar Ala is done, maybe
I
3.
have one mistake.
Khalid, he has 3 mistakes. Omar Muhammad has maybe 4 mistakes. Muhammad Al-Amri has 5 mistakes. Who is this? Gham or Ghanam? I don't know. Anyways, it's left. Abdullah Faisal, I think, is playing. Or
Who's
something, I don't know.
Hey, sir, Nadeem
Osama,
joined it 2
Mohammed
times.
Ibrahim. Yeah.
Nadeem joined it 2 times.
Nadeem every time joins 2 times. I know him.
But now I joined 1 time. Can I join another time?
No. It's fine. Okay. You did it. Now, Umar Yasir, you did 10 or 10. So leave it. You have 10 on 10. So it's fine. So last we have Abdullah Muhammad Hassan. Muhammad Ibrahim As-Somali,
Teacher.
number 14. Muhammad Noor, number
Teacher.
13. I think Muhammad Noor is doing number second time. Yes, Khalid.
You sent the 2?
No.
one time.
I sent only 1 time. Okay, the most important thing is you understand the topic. Assalamu alaikum, Mr.
Yes.
Muhammad Hamid. How are you, sir? Are you fine?
Teacher,
Alhamdulillah.
see my mistakes until the class.
Sorry, Yazan, just a second.
Sir, I want to make it again, please.
Okay, if you want to make it again, you can join till I finish the game. I will
Sir,
finish
what
the
I got?
game at 25. Okay. Now you have 2.5 minutes left. Okay. So you can rejoin and do it again if you want.
Sir, I do it. I don't want it to.
Okay, khalas,
rematch.
tayyib. Real Nadeem is doing now. Who is this Zia Sher? Has a lot of mistakes. Only 1, 2.
If this real Nadeem with the star be the number 1, that's cheating.
Sorry.
Because
No, Yazan is
If,
number 1. That's okay. Omar Yasir is number 2. That's fine. Now real Nadeem is cheating, I think so. If you cheat,
Yes.
you cannot be number 1, Nadeem. Okay.
yes, even if you became number 1, I will still be number 1.
Yeah, you are number 1, Yazan, because you did it fairly. But if other one, Nadeem is playing now again, because he has mistakes, he will be on number 5 now. Muhammad Noor is also playing second time. I know that. Nadeem has mistake again. So Nadeem, you cannot play like after cheating, you know.
Even when he cheats, he is not number 1.
He is not number 1. He has 2 mistakes, I think. Poor Nadeem.
I see Muhammad.
Anyways, Muhammad Noor is now number 2 because he joined again, by the way. He also
Yes, and
joined
he's a
again. Yeah.
cheater too.
Yeah. Mashallah, Zia Sher is number last. Wow. I am the last one.
Wow.
I am number 1
Yes.
from down to up.
You
from-
are number last.
No, I am number 1 upside down.
Yes, you are the last one. Okay, the first one.
If we count upside down, so that I am number 1. And Yazan, you are number last.
Yes. I am number last.
Yeah, you are the last. Okay. So you have finished. Okay, we are going to finish the game, and I will send you. If somebody can take a screenshot, please take it.
No, sir, please. The last question, please. Don't
Oh,
finish it.
I finished. I'm sorry. Here
No,
is number
yeah.
one. You can take screenshot. Okay, take screenshot. Take screenshot of this as well. Okay, so that you can
Oh my god.
take this screenshot. Okay.
I say,
لا ما تقدر تجيب.
wasn't the last question.
Okay, I am sorry. I did it. Who was this? Umar Allah?
Yeah.
Brother, you got number 2. So you are on number 2. So it's fine.
No, I'm Omar Allah. This is Omar
Sir.
Yasser.
Sir, I am
Omar
in number
Yasser.
2, Omar Yasser.
Umar Yasir, you joined now?
Teacher, can they get
Oh, okay. I am sorry about that because I told you I will finish after 25. So you are late.
Sir, I am in the 20, not Umar
Challenge
Ala.
40 minutes.
Okay. Okay, boys. Thanks for joining today. We had a good time. See you next time, inshallah. Goodbye.
See you. See you next
Bye.
time.
I
Goodbye.
will send you worksheet in your group. Okay.
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 teacher.
Nadeem. Okay. Goodbye now. This is it
Goodbye.
for today.